Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss the important part of circulatory system, heart. Students, have a look into that diagram. This one is the actual diagram of human heart. Adult human heart have that parts. It is a well labeled diagram. Here red color of the diagram shows oxygenated blood and blue color shows deoxygenated blood. Firstly, I am going to discuss what is heart. Actually, heart is a muscular organ present in the chest cavity and it is located between the lungs and slightly tilted towards the left side of human body. Got my point? Muscular organ located in the chest cavity between the lungs, but it is slightly tilted towards the left. Its function is to pump the blood in the human body. My dear students, your heart is approximately the size of your fist. Fist means your muthi. Now I am showing you my own fist, so my heart size is of that much. Got it? The heart is divided into 4 chambers so that the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood do not mix inside it. Okay? Heart is divided into how many chambers? 4 chambers. So that oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix inside it. Okay, now I am going to discuss chambers of the heart. The heart is divided into 2 separate sides. First side, second side. Okay. The left side pumps oxygenated blood to the body. Left side, remember your left hand. Left side pumps oxygenated blood to the body, and the right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. I am repeating again. Left side pumps oxygenated blood to the body and the right side pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Each side has an atrium and a ventricle. Here look, that atrium, ventricle, left atrium, right ventricle. See, the vena cava. Now look where that vena cava is there, that superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, downside. The vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. Have a look, blue color. From all parts of the body to the right atrium. Right atrium function is to pump that blood into the right ventricle. That right ventricle then pumps that blood into the right ventricle, which then pumps it into the artery. This artery takes the blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Now oxygen is mixed with that blood. Now that blood is oxygenated. The oxygenated blood is received by the left atrium through the pulmonary vein. It is then pumped into the left ventricle. The left ventricle in turn pumps the blood into the aorta, through which it is supplied to the rest of the body. Okay, now I am going to discuss valves. My dear, that valves, here this one is valve, this one is valve. Valve separate each of the chambers and allows blood to flow in one direction only. They prevent backflow. The left side and the right side are separated from each other by a muscular wall called septum. Have a look. This one is septum. This prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The direction of flow of blood between the heart and the blood vessels is from heart to arteries, to capillaries, to veins, and then back to heart. From heart to arteries, to capillaries, to veins, and then back to heart. Got my point? Students, see that diagram. Make that diagram in your copy by seeing your book or by seeing that video. Learn that one important parts. Tomorrow again we will meet. Till then, bye. Take care.